What's up YouTube? This is Fixaquan here, and I'm here because I shop around GameStop, spending like $250. I just spent it on, let's see here, Assassin's Creed Rogue for the 360, and Final Fantasy X and X-2 HD remastered, which is brand new on the PS4. And also, what I'm here to talk about is the hard drive. The Seagate hard drive. I'm going to put it on my PS4, which is a 1TB memory. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm going to teach you how to put the hard drive inside the PS4. As you can see here, it's sealed. So we're gonna like unbox this thing. Gotta get the seal off. Just gotta use my letter opener to open it up. Oh man, makes it really hard to open with steel on. Alright, managed to take it off. Let's see what's inside. Bunch of plastic inside. Instruction manual. And inside here is just it's a hard drive. Yep, hard drive inside. Nothing here but this. Let's see what the hard drive looks like. Yeah, it's quite small. Here's the 1TB hard drive. Pretty nice. Now I'm gonna insert it on the PS4. Now I'm gonna show you how to like put it in. Okay, I managed to get it open by using my palm of my hand. I just open it like this. It slides out when it pops. That means it's open. So okay, I just removed the lid, the shiny part. Now let's see. This is how you remove it. You get the small little screwdriver like this. Then you just have to remove the main screw, the one that has a PlayStation symbol on it. Alright, got this thing removed. Now it's time to take out the hard drive. Here's the hard drive itself. Now I have to take the tray off. Had to remove each 4 sides of the screws to get the tray off the hard drive. one more screws. And out comes the hard drive. That's a 500 gigabyte hard drive. I'm gonna save this forever in just in case there's something wrong with my hard drive. And now, time to place with the new hard drive. You have to make sure it's like this side. Make sure it's perfectly aligned. And then you screw it back on the tray. I had to screw back all 4 screws on the tray. And there you go, like, you know, it's screwed on the tray. Now it's time to put it on the PS4. Just slide it in. Perfect. You have to make sure to slide it all the way in. Then put the main screw back on, and you're ready to go. There you go. Now, all you gotta do is close the lid on, but when you close it, be sure to hook on the back, because there's a hook right here. Hook on the back. Make sure it's like, there you go, and then slide it back, pop it back in. Ready to go. Actually, you see here, I'm just downloading the firmware of the PS4 update, which I'm using the 8GB flash drive. In order to, excuse me, in order to download the firmware, you need at least like approximately 9 megabytes or more free space on your flash drive. Okay, I was gonna show you something like, if you want to download the firmware, don't click on that one, because, you know, it's got a different, like, you know, if you already have a PS4 or something like that, that you have to, because, you know, last time I installed the wrong file, so the only way you do it, you have to scroll down. You have to keep on scrolling down. This one is just an update on the internet, but it's useless. You know, you have to keep scrolling down until it says performing a new installation of the system, which means you're installing the new hard drive on your PS4. All you gotta do is you connect the USB. Okay, here's what to do. Like, you know, so my USB is connected, so you have to open the file of your flash drive, and it has to be all cap PS4. Then open it, and then you open the PS4 folder, and then make another folder called update, and that's where you put your firmware in this folder. So I have to wait until install is complete, which is complete. So go and download this. I'm just going to drag it to the desktop, open my flash drive, and then place it on the flash drive right here, and then you have to wait until it's done. So like when it's done downloading on my flash drive, I'm gonna plug it in on my PS4 right there, which is the hard drive is already inside. So I'll be back in a moment. So I now am installing the firmware in my hard drive on my PS4. So I'm just gonna wait. It's gonna take a while and stuff like that. And usually it just shuts off in order to reset itself. Now right now it's updating right now. So I'll get back to you like once it's done updating. So I'll be right back. Alright, we're in. So I just installed the PS4, the new hard drive. So we had to do like some kind of basic setup. Now I put on English. Let's go put it on next. So I'll be right back. I have to do all these basic setups. So I'll be right back. Okay, I can see here, like, you know, all my... I'm just installing the Destiny right now, which is gonna take way too long, but it takes patience. See how the memory storage look like right now. Right now I want to get like 834.5 gigabytes left, which is I have 1 gig memory, which is I'm using right now, 1 terabyte memory. So this is how you okay, this is how you, like, you know, restore all your memory. So you go to let's see here. God, I'm so stupid. So you go to here, and then you just save data, and then you just upload the save data. Wait a minute. Okay, connect this over there. There's something wrong with my internet, so I had to redo it again. And there it is. All my save storage are in there. So yeah, so I could just, once Destiny is done downloading, I could just... What's my Destiny storage file? Oh no, guess I have to switch the hard drive and storage it in the cloud again. So yeah, that's how you, like, you know, storage all your memory in the cloud. So this is it, and I'm out.